Hey everyone, Kendall here from Watches.com, and I'm going to show you how to put a nylon NATO style strap onto your watch. To begin, I'm going to first remove the original strap. These are quick release spring bars, but if they weren't, you could just use your strap removal tool to take off the original strap. We're going to start by putting the spring pins into place. Make sure that it lines up on one side with a hole on either side of the lug. Then use either this strap removal tool or your fingernail if it's long enough, just to pull that spring pin back and pop it into place. And then you might want to wiggle it around a little bit to make sure it's actually going to stay put. And then do the same thing on the other side. So then you're going to take your NATO strap and you're going to want to make sure both pieces are separated. And then also make sure that if the watch is face down, the buckle is face down. Then you're going to take it and slide it through both sides, all the way up, and then take this piece, slide it into place so the strap won't move. Then you're just going to buckle it like a normal watch strap. And then slide these through the strap keeper loops. And if you have a smaller wrist and you have a lot of strap left on the end, you can just flip it around and tuck it back into that first strap keeper. And then you're all set. Thanks for watching. For more tips and videos, please subscribe below. If you like the watch that I'm using in today's video, this is the TRAPPIST-1 NASA Edition Cosmic Nebula by Zarek, and as always, we'll put a link in the description for where you can purchase the watch on our website. Thanks!